Do you want to know how to build a six-figure business selling t-shirts for under $500? Well, I'm going to teach you. Just stay tuned. How's it going? My name is Marcus Lee, and this is Mastering Your Kingdom. In Mastering Your Kingdom, we teach individuals how to live at their highest level of their selves. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make six figures selling t-shirts and only having to spend $500. But before we get started, be sure to like and subscribe to the page and make sure you hit the notification bell so that you can be notified for each video that is posted to this channel. You may be thinking, how can you make six figures selling t-shirts? T-shirts are something that most people actually don't look at as a big money maker, but there are so many ways in how you can make money from making t-shirts. The first thing you're going to need is a screen printer. Now, you can actually find a one-station screen printing machine from anywhere from $100 to about $200. So that's the first thing. What a screen printing machine is for is to actually make the image that goes onto the t-shirt. Surprisingly enough, these machines can be pretty pricey when you go up there, but just getting started, you can easily spend only about $100 to $200 on just your screen printing machine. The second thing you're going to need is a computer or a laptop. You'll need this because you'll need to design your images. I usually recommend using things like Photoshop and Canva. These are two monumental ways that I actually made quite a bit of money with my own printing company. The third thing you're going to need is an inkjet printer. You'll need an inkjet printer because the inkjet printer is going to allow you to print out the transfers. Now the transfers are going to go on what you'll also need, which is called a screen. Now when you have these two, you'll place the transfer on the screen and you'll need some type of high-powered light to burn the image through. The last thing you'll need is a light box. This can get kind of pricey, but the truth is that you can actually make your own light box. That's actually what I did when I first got in the printing business. Now, surprisingly enough, all of these things actually equal up to $500 or even less. If you stuck with me this long, I want to personally thank you for watching Mastering Your Kingdom. If you guys liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want more videos like this, please don't forget to hit that notification bell. My name is Marcus Lee, and this is Mastering Your Kingdom. Take care.